Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video on 20-year-old learning her lesson the hard way, and this is by Bodycam. Watch, man. 20-year-old? Ooh, wait. Okay, let's get into it.
Hello. Hi. I stopped you because the car is coming back as an abandoned vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yes. Which car is it?
It's my dad's car, but
okay. Did he have it towed in like Miami?
It was towed in Miami. Okay. I had it towed in Miami and we had to get it back.
Okay, so you were driving it in Miami?
Yes.
Okay.
And he knows he had to get the whole thing notarized.
Yeah. I gotta confirm it with Miami because they're the ones that entered it into the system.
Okay.
So when a car gets towed and the owner is not present, they usually enter it as an abandoned vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's going in the system, so cops that run up, if the cop runs your tag, it's gonna pop up as an
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, I got towed like a month ago, so I'm surprised this is the first time.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna have them confirm it and get that taken out of the system, and I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
At least she was nice.
Hi. What's going on? Not much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Drive home.
Oh, yeah? All right. I'm just her backup, so let's see what's going on. So what happened? So where was this car?
It was in Miami. I went down to get a tattoo, and I parked in front of a fire hydrant, and I didn't realize that I was
Oh.
fire hydrant.
You don't want to mess with the boys.
Yeah, and within 5 minutes of me being there, it was towed.
So we just gotta sit here and wait a little bit.
Okay.
What's that?
I'm so sorry, my car's a little messy.
Listen, this is not messy compared to what kind of cars I see on a daily basis.
Oh,
You're fine. You're good. Have you been pulled over before?
I have been.
Oh, okay.
Back in, I think it was 2018.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want you to be like nervous.
Oh no, I'm okay.
Okay. I had people cry.
Oh,
all the
I
time.
Last time.
Yeah.
I was speeding, so I got
okay. I'm gonna ask you a question, all right? Mind if I search the car? Okay. You hang out with her.
Okay, so that little thing that was up there, it was like the officer noticed that she kept moving her purse out of the officer's line of sight. So that must be the reason why they're asking her to step out of the vehicle.
Can I ask why you guys are searching the car?
She asked.
Okay.
Oh, they're searching it now.
Do you vape or is it?
I do.
It's bad for
I know.
You should not vape. Do you use like flavors or?
Yeah, it's just mint.
Hey, ring.
Oh, thank you. My dad gave it to me.
Very nice.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99 where you get badges, custom emojis. You're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Just get off work or working out or?
No, I just got a haircut. Actually, I work at 4. So.
And I wish it would cool off.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's when I get into my car, because in my driveway, the sun just beats right down in it.
Sun visor.
I do have one in the back seat. I just always forget when I'm coming from work to put it up.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I do not.
No. Do you ever smoke weed?
I have.
How long has it been since you smoked weed?
I smoked yesterday.
Did you? You don't use it in your vape, do you?
No, I don't.
I'm still waiting to hear back. We sent the confirmation out to Miami to have it removed from the system. I'm still waiting to hear back if they had it done yet. Now you know not to park in front of a fire hydrant.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, my dad was fucking furious. It's just an eyelash brush.
You got a lot of these.
Yeah, I get my eyelashes done and she gives me some every time I go.
Like, dang, what are these?
Yeah, they're just for my eyelashes.
Yeah, I bet your car gets really hot.
Oh my god, I can't even touch my steering wheel.
Huh?
She read anything or no?
No.
I wonder what's up with the multiple IDs.
I did have a weed
You have a weed pen?
and I really...
Hold on. Alright, if we're going to talk about anything like a weed pen, I got to read you your rights, okay? Doesn't mean you're under arrest. It doesn't mean you're under arrest. It just means I have to read your rights. We're going to talk about it, okay? Alright, you have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions, okay? Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given, okay? You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements during the question, okay? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements during any question, okay? If any time during the interview you do not wish to answer the questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand? I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement simply of your own free will. Do you understand? Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. Did you understand those rights? That's not a weed pen, right?
No, it's not.
That's just your vape pen?
It is.
Why do you carry it right now?
I usually don't, but I had it in my lap when I was driving and I didn't have anywhere to
Yeah,
put
she
it.
said she has a marijuana pen in
And
there.
it had fake IDs.
And you have fake IDs.
They are mine. They're in my name.
They're what?
They're in my name.
Oh, you had these made up.
They were ordered.
So you had them made up.
Not me personally, but
What do you mean not you personally?
my friend made.
You asked your friend for that? Because like, people don't usually just
No, I know.
Come on, man. Now you throwing a friend under the bus. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah, look. You all nervous and stuff. Yeah, I got fake IDs, man. Listen, a lot of young people got fake IDs. It obviously it's illegal, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? People try to, if they 20, they trying to get into the club and all that. That's why, hey, fellas, y'all better make sure y'all careful who y'all taking home now, because they definitely, yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. I was just saying I didn't physically make the order. But yes.
Yeah, you went there and asked them to have them made. You got 3 of them? Or is there more?
No, there's only one.
Do you have a testing?
Yeah, I do. 44.
Okay. So, what was the deal with those?
They were in my purse.
No, I get the obvious, but what's the, like, what are they for?
I don't know. I have them. My friends got them because we're all in college, and they want me to come and visit them in college.
How old are you?
I'm 20. I'm going to be 21 in 6 months, 5 months.
The marijuana card or anything like that?
Man, she acting like she ain't have fakes when she was in college. Man, get up out of here with that, man.
Where did you get it from?
One of my friends.
Your friend ordered, like, your friend bought it for you?
Yes, I don't know.
Sounds like your friends do a lot for you.
That they probably shouldn't keep it.
Yeah.
I know, it's hot. It's already purple.
Oh yeah.
It's positive.
What's your phone?
It's a felony to be in possession of fraudulent driver's licenses and the marijuana vape pen. Okay. So unfortunately, I do have to place you under arrest.
She's in the notes, right?
Yes.
Camera 6.
Life for this for me. Also, I think it's smaller than
The female in the notes, she's going to be 1015 for signal 18.
we're gonna come back to the car. You still have your gloves on. I know she's not wearing my shoes, so you look
Yeah,
like.
and then her neck.
Yeah, and her earrings.
Yep. Knock off your shoe for me.
That's such a BS arrest, man. Oh man.
It's like you almost knew that I was looking in that purse. Right? It's okay, you can be honest.
Yes.
It's not my first day. I know it's here.
I'm not a bad kid.
I know you're not. Here. But I want this to be a lesson for you, okay?
Yes, I'm right.
Okay. So, and that's
Be a lesson for you. You're charging her with a felony. You're gonna ruin her life, bro. Like, honestly, like, I get it. She's in the wrong. Yeah, of course. But a lot of college kids, bro, that's just what it is. Like, it is what it is. You know, of course, she's definitely in the wrong. But this, to me, this is just a BS arrest, bro. It's not like she had the IDs and you seen a bunch of fake checks or something like that. Like, bro, she trying to get into certain bars when she go visit her friends, bro. Like, come on, bro.
even more so of a lesson. You know, it's not our first day on the road, all right? I know, but here's the thing. Now let this be a lesson, okay? You shouldn't have fake IDs, and you should not have THC.
Yeah, bro. That's why I always say, man. And this right here says she was charged with possession of counterfeit IDs and possession of controlled substance, man. But it's just like, bro, y'all. I'm sorry. This is a BS arrest, bro. Like, oh man. I always say, bro, if you're a female, the worst person you want to pull up on you is another female cop, bro. They don't give a crap, bro. Did this really have to turn into them searching the vehicle? No, bro. It didn't have to escalate to that, bro. Like, no. Like, this shit just searching for something, bro. Like, congratulations. You ruined a 20-year-old's life. Great. Fucking, this is...
THC.
Oh, hold up. Just as I was saying that, she got a good lawyer, lawyered up. The charges were dropped after she complete 75 hours of community service with a nonprofit of her choice. Thank goodness, man, because this was ridiculous, bro.
In the purse? Well, I'll look.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.